Oh, very skilled sila actually, and they were very patient. Actually, they're really very good. We had a very good plan counter-attacking them. It was just that, syempre, some of the kids doesn't know how to adjust ganun kabilis eh. Sabi ko nga sa mga bata, win or lose, we don't lose anything because yung learnings, lahat sa mga experiences na to, panalo pa rin tayo eh. Actually, si Tiff, she's a true star in the making. Because when she was in the sidelines, parang, Coach, let's try to do this defense. Coach, pwede ba big man ako sa next play? Parang, nakikita ko yung bata talagang gusto niya manalo and gusto niya mag-adjust based sa kung paano siya makakatulong. And I'm really very happy na meron akong ganong player, may pusa. Kasi not everybody can do that.